The CK6152E is a mature export-proven CNC lathe that combines compact structure, elegant appearance, and exceptional cutting performance. Designed for turning both disc-type and shaft-type workpieces, it handles straight lines, arcs, metric and inch threads, and multi-head threads with ease. With a maximum swing diameter of 530 mm over the bed, a maximum turning length of up to 2,825 mm, and a spindle bore of 590 mm. This machine delivers the versatility needed for complex high-accuracy machining tasks. At the heart of the CK6152E is a high-precision spindle bearing group, precision assembly, and dynamic balancing, ensuring high spindle accuracy, low noise, and superior rigidity. The machine guide rails and sliding saddle guide rails are constructed from special hardened materials, offering exceptional wear resistance and long-term accuracy retention. Equipped with the GSK980TC3 CNC system, domestic ball screws, high-precision screw bearings, and a forced automatic lubrication system, the CK6152E guarantees stable, reliable operation, even under continuous production. Standard features include AK11 series, 3-jaw manual chuck, a 4-position electric tool post, and an automatic lubrication device. The CK6152E, engineered for precision, built to last.